Sorry, just to finish up this on the nervous system, the oligodendrocytes, yeah, we said these are glial cells in the central nervous system that wrap their cell membrane around axons to form myelin sheath in the central nervous system. Remember, we said in peripheral nervous system, myelination is by the Schwann cells. So what is myelination? When these glial cells wrap their cell membrane around the axons, they myelinate the axons, therefore insulating them. Okay, so these myelin make the axons to appear white, and these myelinated axons in the central nervous system eventually form the white matter in the brain and the spinal cord. So the purpose of myelination is to increase speed of action potential. So when you insulate the axons, you increase the speed of transmitting the neuronal signal in form of action potential. So the axon usually has nodes and internodes, okay? So the internodes are actually the myelinated portions of the axons. And this myelinated axon is usually interrupted, okay? And the interrupted node areas are what we call the nodes of Ranvier. So there are gaps, okay? So the axon is myelinated, but the myelination is interrupted. So the areas with no myelin are called the nodes of Ranvier, and these are gaps between the internodes where axons may branch. So peripheral nervous system has two types of neuroglial cells, the satellite cells, which are the amphicytes, and the Schwann cells, which are also called the neurelemacytes. So the satellite cells are support cells within the ganglia. They regulate the environment around the neuron, ensure a good metabolic environment, regulate nutrients, oxygen, carbon dioxide around the ganglia. So satellite cells are support cells of the peripheral nervous system found within the ganglia, like the dorsal root ganglion. So what is the difference between a ganglia and a nuclei? A collection of neuronal cell body, yeah? Collection of neuronal cell body in the peripheral nervous system is a ganglion when there are many ganglia. Collection of neuronal cell body in peripheral nervous system is a ganglion, and these are usually surrounded by support cells, which we've said the satellite cells in the peripheral nervous system. Collection of neuronal cell bodies in the central nervous system are nuclear. Remember, we say central nervous system is brain and spinal cord. Collection of neuronal cell body in the central nervous system is what form the nuclei. Schwann cells, we have sung about it. They form myelin sheath around peripheral nerves of the peripheral nervous system. So a Schwann cell will wrap its cell membrane around an axon, and this forms myelin. The regions that are myelinated are nodes, and they're interrupted. The myelinated portions are internodes, and they are interrupted by the nodes of Ranvier. So you can see the nodes are unmyelinated, then the myelinated portions are the internodes. Okay, this is a Schwann cell, and it has wrapped its cell membrane, giving this whitish appearance. Okay, so and these are the axons of the neurons. Thank you very much. So remember, pessimism is only the name that men of weak nerves give to wisdom. All the best.